The city of Baltimore and CSX are working to determine the cause of this massive landslide and retaining wall collapse in Charles Village Wednesday. Though no one was hurt, there's still plenty of property damage, and the question of who's responsible and who will foot the repair bills remains unanswered. People who live on East 26th Street near North Charles Street say they've been complaining to both the city and CSX about the condition of the wall and the street above for years. If the people affected ultimately decide to sue the city, they need to be aware of the Maryland Local Government Tort Claims Act. Under the act, a person must send written notice to the city within 180 days of the injury or damage with the time, place, and cause of injury. This notice must also include if the person intends to sue the city for damages. The act allows municipalities to investigate while the evidence is still available.
As you get into an accident, first and foremost, identify the person that you've been in an accident with, just so you're really very sure that it's not a city, state, or federal employee, first and foremost. And then secondly, do contact an attorney, because there are landmines all throughout the entire process. It's not only an issue of limitations, but as you can see in these types of situations, it's also an issue of proper notice.
If a person doesn't take this step and goes on to sue the city can request that the case be dismissed. Attorney Keith Bartnick says people could also sue their insurance companies if they will not cover the property damage, as well as CSX. In these cases, people aren't required to give prior notice of an intent to sue, but he says it's a good idea that could help all parties avoid going to court.